I'm Dr. Frita, and I want to bring you shopping with me because I want you to eat these top 10 summer fruits to lower your blood pressure without medications. Now, we know that high blood pressure is a leading cause of heart disease, strokes, kidney disease, and according to the CDC, about half of the adults in the United States have high blood pressure, yet most do not have it under control. In fact, according to the National Ambulatory Medical Survey, high blood pressure was the primary diagnosis in over 56 million doctor's visits. Now, that's a lot of doctor's visits. I, of course, am a medical doctor, and I love seeing my patients. But if you could figure out a way to see your doctor a little bit less by controlling your own blood pressure better by eating some good fruits, wouldn't you want to do it? I thought so. So that's why I'm bringing you shopping with me, and I want you to eat these top 10 summer fruits to lower your blood pressure without medicines. Keep watching. Be sure to download your copy of my book. It's called Under Pressure. It's your step-by-step guide on how to control high blood pressure. This book is packed with valuable tools, guidelines, and information to help you to control high blood pressure. Click the link in the description to get your copy today. As we start shopping, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be among the first to know when I release new evidence-based medical content. So I am Dr. Frita. I'm a board-certified nephrologist, which means I specialize in kidneys and high blood pressure. So taking care of patients with high blood pressure is what I do day in and day out. And one of the things I've noticed over the years is that when my patients eat healthy foods, I'm oftentimes able to wean them off of some of their blood pressure medications. Yes. Now, to be totally honest, for some patients, even when they are eating healthy foods, and even when I can wean them off of certain medications, sometimes they may still require a medication or two. And that's when it becomes important to understand that medicine and managing blood pressure has to be done in an integrative fashion. Yes, we use the natural and holistic measures, and we use traditional medicines when necessary to lower blood pressure safely. Today, we're going to focus on the natural holistic side. So let's talk about some of these summer fruits for blood pressure. Number 1, blueberries. Yes, I love blueberries. I'll tell you the truth. Not only are they delicious, but they're also really healthy for you. They're high in vitamin C, which we know is also good for your immune system. They're loaded with antioxidants and fiber, and we know that fiber can help you to unclog your arteries naturally. Blueberries also have anthocyanins, which can help you to widen your blood vessels and lower your blood pressure. You can enjoy blueberries as a snack, like I do, just by themselves. And you can also enjoy them as toppings on your yogurt. You can put them in your smoothies. You can put them on your salads. Blueberries. You got to do them. Number 2, watermelon. I love watermelon. Stereotypes be darned. I don't care, because watermelon is a hydrating, healthy fruit. It has vitamins A, vitamin C, and it contains citrulline, which helps your body to produce nitric oxide. And we know that nitric oxide helps to dilate and relax blood vessels, which helps to lower your blood pressure. Now, when you have watermelon, you can eat it by itself, of course. You can also juice it. You can put it in smoothies, and you can make a delicious agua fresca. Now, how's this for a wonderful summer fruit? Number 3, blackberries. Now, you know this is a delicious, tart, just wonderful fruit. And yes, it's also good for your blood pressure. So blackberries are high in fiber. They're also high in vitamin C, vitamin K. They have antioxidants, and they have polyphenols, which help to support your heart health. And you know that's good for blood pressure. For your blackberries, you can enjoy them as is. Just wash them off and eat that fruit. You can also put them in your salads. I sometimes like to put my blackberries in my oatmeal. Question: what's your favorite way to enjoy some of these summer fruits like blueberries and watermelon? Share your go-to recipe or snacks in the comment section below. Number 4, plums. So these are some delicious plums, and plums are great because they're high in dietary fiber, which again helps to unclog your arteries. They also have vitamin A, they have vitamin C, they also have lots of antioxidants. Here's something else that's great about plums. They're high in potassium, and we know that potassium can help with blood pressure because the more potassium you take in, the more sodium you get rid of. Be sure to watch my video on high potassium foods that are good for your blood pressure after you finish watching this video. Make sure you stick around with me till the end, because after we finish shopping, I'm going to go back home and share with you one of my favorite juices I like to make with these summer fruits. Number 5, cucumbers. Listen, I love cucumbers, and I'll tell you why. One, they are low in calories. That's important. They're also very hydrating, and they have vitamin C. They have vitamin K. Here's what's really neat. Cucumbers are also high in potassium and magnesium. This is why it's important. A lot of my patients I will see, and they have low potassium, and we will try to replete their potassium, give them potassium. But guess what? If they have low magnesium, then it's almost impossible to get the potassium up. So yeah, that's a little known fact. In order for you to have adequate potassium levels, you must also have adequate magnesium levels. So one of the answers can be cucumbers because they have both potassium and magnesium. They're great as far as making juices, which I definitely love to make juice because they're over 95% water. Here's the other thing. You can enjoy cucumbers in a lot of different fashions. I like to slice them up and just eat them as is. I also like to put them in salads. And again, I love putting them in my juices. It's a wonderful, low-calorie, hydrating snack, and it's definitely a summer fruit in which you should indulge. Number 6, muskmelon. Now, muskmelon is a wonderful fruit. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin C. It has a high water content, very hydrating. Muskmelon also has lots of potassium and magnesium, which we know are wonderful for regulating your blood pressure. You can chill them, enjoy just muskmelon slices. You can put them in salads. Another great fruit for lowering your blood pressure. It's definitely important that you eat these fruits to lower your blood pressure, but it's equally as important for you to know that you're getting accurate blood pressure measurements. Be sure to watch my video on how to monitor your blood pressure at home correctly after you finish shopping with me in this video. Number 7, cherries. Now I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I love cherries, and sometimes I can probably overdo it because I can sit here and just eat cherry after cherry after cherry, cups of cherries. They are delicious, they are sweet, and they're actually good for your blood pressure. So cherries have anthocyanins, which we know help your heart health. They help to relax blood vessels, and you can eat them all kinds of ways. I just eat my cherries straight, I'll tell you the truth. But you can also freeze them. You can chop them and put them in your salads. You can add them to your yogurt. You definitely want to put cherries in your diet. Number 8, strawberries. I'll be honest. Strawberries are one of the more nutrient-dense fruits. They're really great because they're loaded with fiber, folate, and antioxidants, all of which support heart health and can help you to lower your blood pressure naturally. Strawberries are also good for circulation. And honestly, you can eat them in so many ways. You can wash them off and just eat them as is. You can put them in smoothies. You can put them on juices. You can chop them up and put them on salads. You can top off your oatmeal with them. What can't you do with strawberries? Definitely you want to incorporate them into your diet in order to lower your blood pressure. Number 9, peaches. Listen, peaches, one of my favorite fruits. So delicious. I mean, where do you go? Peaches are great. They're also loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, which we know supports lowering your blood pressure naturally. Number 10 of the top 10 summer fruits to help to lower your blood pressure, grapes. Now, y'all know that grapes are delicious and nutritious. They have vitamin C. They are loaded with antioxidants. And they also have resveratrol, which is a compound that we know helps to support heart health, and it helps to lower your blood pressure naturally. Now, of course, you can eat grapes as is. You can freeze them. And here's something that I do for some of my kidney patients, specifically my dialysis patients or patients who have to limit their fluid intake. I'll have them to freeze their grapes and to suck on the grapes so that if they're thirsty, it helps to give them a bit of a quenching of the thirst without them being volume overloaded. So if you're a dialysis patient, consult with your doctor, consult with your dietitian, but frozen grapes can be a way for you to stay healthy and to also not tip over into that volume overload. Okay, I'm back from our summer fruits grocery shopping trip. And question, do any of these summer fruits surprise you with their nutrient-dense, blood pressure-lowering properties? Did you get caught off guard by some of the health benefits of these fruits? If so, please be sure to comment down below. Make sure you like and share this video with the people you care about. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know when I'm sharing new evidence-based medical content. I hope you were able to pick up on some ways that these hydrating, refreshing, delicious, tasty fruits are also actually good for your blood pressure. This is just one of the ways that you can use food as medicine. Remember, while it is always beneficial to use lifestyle modifications and to really try to help yourself in a natural manner, it's also equally important that you consult with your physician so that you can lower your blood pressure in a safe and effective manner. Now I'm about to go in this house and I'm going to make a juice for you using some of these summer fruits that help you to lower your blood pressure. All right, let's go. I'm Dr. Frita, and I want you to make this blood pressure lowering watermelon juice with me. Let's start with this beautiful hydrating watermelon. I'm a board certified hypertension specialist. And, ooh, that's pretty. Watermelon is high in potassium, citrulline, which relaxes blood vessels. It has vitamin A, vitamin B6. It has lycopene, vitamin C, antioxidants. Cucumbers, high in potassium, magnesium, vitamin K, vitamin C. Strawberries, one of the most nutrient-dense fruits. They're high in folate, antioxidants. They're good for circulation. Lemons, high in vitamin C, high in antioxidants. I'm using my Nama J2 juicer. This juice is so good for your blood pressure. The high potassium helps your body to get rid of excess sodium. And the citrulline helps your body to make nitric oxide, which dilates your blood vessels. A delicious, refreshing way to lower your blood pressure naturally.